Hey guys, back with y'all with Gear Jaws and Cars with D. Look at the 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning EV. Let me show y'all guys around this thing. Love the way the LED lights go all the way across, guys. At the front of the truck. This thing is nice, guys. Need an F-150 to save on gas. This would be the one. Charge it up every single day when you go home. This, of course, this is where you should charge the truck up at right here. Plug it up right here. Got a nice screen setup in here. With a large screen with your navigation. Got your wireless charger port right there. Your USB plug. Got cup holders right here. Nice metal console. They come with the key for it. You gotta lock up your things right here. Got cup holders for the back seat routers. Got come with your all-weather floor mats that say F-150 on them. This was guys sell for $73,645. This will come with over 300 range, so it would do you good for probably the whole day or a couple of days. It depends how much you drive. But you know, you low on charge, you go home and charge it up every day for free. You can charge it up at Tesla supercharge station now. So you want a quick charge, you go get it supercharged. Plenty of room in the back, guys. Plenty of room. Got your different plugs back here. Got your AC 120 volt plug. Of course, with your power plug right there. Come with the all-weather floor mats all the way across for the back seat. Keep your floor and stuff clean and the carpet. Nice size cup holders. Of course, this is the front glimpse of it with a fully touch screen. Very nice truck, guys. Very nice.
Let's find it straight though.
Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more car videos. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching.
I think 691.